Here's how to have a bit of fun with an ordinary school fountain pen. Here's a quick doodle I've done of a man with an umbrella, and watch out, it's started to rain. Look at this, absolutely lashing down, and the rain is starting to form puddles by the man on the ground. Now, watch this. Just take a paintbrush and a little dab of water on it, and just dab the water on the rain and into the puddles. And look at that, they really do start to look very wet indeed. Okay, let's try this. Take a goldfish bowl, empty at the moment, but not to worry. Let's just put some water in there, like that, and then let's put a goldfish in there like this. Weird goldfish, but that's okay, because this is Art Attack. A couple of scales there, put his eyes on the top, like that. And don't forget his mouth and his fins. And again, a little dab of water into the water, and look what starts to happen. The water starts to make the ink run everywhere. And before it goes too far, let's just dab it with a tissue. And there it is. It looks very wet indeed. Good effect, isn't it? Now, obviously, you have to use water-based ink or cartridges in your pen, because if you use permanent ink, it won't run. And, you know, you can use this technique to create some really great water reflection pictures. Try something like this. There's a waterside cottage. That's where I went for my holidays. And, oh, that seemed like a long time ago. Just draw the water reflection, which is an upside-down mirror image. Now, it doesn't have to be perfect, because reflections are never usually perfect, are they? Just draw it upside down, like that, and it goes there. And then it's just a case of dabbing some water onto the reflection. Here it goes. Now watch this, just into the water, across there like that. A little bit more on my brush, right across. Oh, look at that, and it really does look like a wet, watery reflection. Brilliant. Great fun to do, and with a bit of practice, you will discover some really good effects. Try this. And now, the clever bit. And now, just to finish it off, try it yourself. Have some fun with a fountain pen.